Top 3 essential tips to lose visceral fat quickly. Losing weight, but your belly stays hard? Stop blaming yourself. It's not your fault. That stubborn belly isn't normal fat. It's visceral fat, and most people attack it in a way that guarantees failure. Today, I'll show you the 3 essential tips that actually target visceral fat, not fake weight loss that comes back. Visceral fat is the deep fat wrapped around your organs. You can look slim in clothes and still carry dangerous fat inside. That's why some people diet for months, walk every day, and still see the same waistline. The surprising part is this fat responds faster than regular fat when you fix the right signals. Not harder habits, smarter ones. Here's the real issue. Most advice screams calories. Eat less, burn more. But visceral fat doesn't listen to calorie math. It listens to hormones, blood sugar, stress, sleep, and inflammation. When those signals are off, your body guards visceral fat like survival fuel. That's why crash diets shrink your face, not your belly. You're fighting the wrong enemy. If you want realistic health tips without extreme dieting, like this video and subscribe now. It helps more than you think. Tip 1. Control blood sugar before you touch calories. Visceral fat grows when blood sugar spikes again and again. Every spike tells your body to store fat deep around your organs. This is why people eating low-fat but high carbs often struggle the most with belly fat. Start your day with protein and fiber instead of sugar. Eggs with vegetables, yogurt with seeds, lentils, oats with chia. When blood sugar stays steady, insulin stays calm. When insulin stays calm, visceral fat finally loosens its grip. One small habit could be the secret your belly has been waiting for. Add soluble fiber daily. Chia seeds, flax seeds, psyllium husk. These slow sugar absorption and feed gut bacteria that reduce inflammation. 1 tablespoon a day is enough. This isn't hype. It's how the body works. Visceral fat doesn't respond to force. It responds to balance. Tip 2. Lower stress or fat loss freezes. You can eat clean and still store visceral fat if stress stays high. Cortisol tells your body to protect fat around vital organs. Thousands of years ago, this kept humans alive. Today, it just keeps waistlines stuck. Sleep matters more than people admit. Less than 6 hours raises cortisol the next day, even with perfect food. Walking helps, but slow walking works better than intense cardio when stress is high. One overlooked helper is magnesium. Many adults are low. Magnesium glycinate or citrate in the evening can help calm the nervous system and improve sleep quality. Food sources help too. Pumpkin seeds, spinach, almonds. Here's the trick most people miss. That morning, coffee might be keeping your belly fat and quietly blocks visceral fat loss without them realizing why. Now, listen carefully, because this is where most people get confused. There is one clear sign: visceral fat is finally dropping, and it's not the scale. If this is clicking for you, comment belly below so I know to make a follow-up on foods that secretly increase visceral fat. Tip 3. Activate muscle to burn fat. All day, you don't need long workouts. Visceral fat responds best to muscle activation. Muscle improves insulin sensitivity, which directly reduces visceral fat storage. Squats, push-ups, bands, light weights. Done consistently, that's all you need. 2 or 3 short sessions per week are enough. After meals, a 10-minute walk is one of the most underrated fat loss tools. It lowers blood sugar immediately and tells your body to use fuel instead of storing it. If you want a step-by-step plan to actually lose visceral fat in 7 days, check the next video at the end. Here's the moment most people never notice. Your belly finally starts to soften. Waist feels less tight. Bloating drops. Energy steadies. Digestion improves. Energy feels steady instead of crashing. Studies show visceral fat decreases faster than surface fat when blood sugar and cortisol improve. This is why some people lose inches before kilos. Healing happens inside first. To lose visceral fat quickly, stop chasing extremes. Stabilize blood sugar. Lower stress. Build gentle strength. Your body will do the rest. Before you go, don't stop here. Watch the next video on this channel called 7-Day Belly Fat Challenge that actually works for visceral fat. It shows how to turn these tips into a simple daily plan so your waistline starts changing within just 1 week.